Alright, I want to go over how to make your own custom color scheme. Um, so let's dive right in. If I go under my files, I'm just editing the HTML files. We're going to look under /CSS, standard.css, and if we look at the table of contents, the second one under 02 is colors and fonts. So that there's obviously a lot more styles, but these are basically pulled out to make it nice and easy to customize everything. So we've got everything commented out. You see the first one's header, background color, then page title, and etc. And then the second section is fonts. So we're going to stick to the colors for now. And basically, you'll notice the 6-digit color code, which controls everything. And you can grab that from Photoshop when you're if you want to edit the files or whatever photo editing software you use. Or what you can do, and what I recommend, is just go to the live preview and make the color scheme based right here. So let me just show you an example. I have it open right here. If I pick a kind of a pink color, the live preview actually gives you the 6-digit color code on this bottom right. So we can right click and copy that. And then if we go to our files, what we're editing is the header background color. We can just paste that in, save our file, and now if we go back to our current files and refresh it, we now have that pink red top bar just by editing that one line of CSS. Now we can do the same thing for our background. Right now it's a wood texture, and we also have the other pattern right here. I'll show you. Let's go ahead and save that. That's used in our secondary color scheme. It's sort of a turquoise color. You can either upload a texture, a pattern, or you could have a background color there as well. I'm going to go ahead and just make it black so you can see the difference. Very easy, just page title, background color. You can swap an image or a color, and you have the same control over the other backgrounds, which are the main background and then footer background, which is handled right here with the main background and footer background. You can use the color picker to pick out those as well if you want. If you notice, it makes it really easy and gives you the color code. Yeah, I'll do that example actually, just so you have one more example. Let's say we change it to this color. It's pretty awful, but you'll be able to tell the difference. We copy that, and then we're going to paste that under main content background. We save that, and then we refresh. We'll have that really interesting color scheme going on. But you get an idea on how easy it is to customize the whole site and make it look completely different, based on those few things. So if we go open up our file, you see all the different things you can customize. The last thing is fonts. Basically, we use 3 different custom fonts right here, and they're all up here under font families. So if you wanted to change the page title font, you can do so right here, or our heading fonts or our navigation fonts. All is controlled right here, and then our body font is underneath that right here if you want to change that as well. The last thing is, if you want to change something that's not included in there, we just scroll up to the table of contents, and you'll want to find, if it's a specific header style or a container, if you want to remove, the drop shadows or whatever, you can find that via the table of contents. All nice and easy to create your own color scheme that you want.